Hello YouTube family, my name is Aditya and you are watching DevOps Guide. In the previous video, we have covered the basic user management, and in this video, we will discuss on password aging policy. The very first command of password aging policy is chage. This command is used to set password parameters on the user account. These are the options that we use with the chage command. Starting with the -d, it is used to set date of last password change. -E to set the account expiry date. -I to set the password inactive date. -L to list the password aging attributes. -m to set the minimum number of days before password change, and -M for the maximum number of days. -W for the number of warning days. I have created a scenarios. Let's do this with the lab. The first scenario is to set password aging parameters for user 100 to minimum 7 days, maximum 28 days, and warning on 5 days. Also confirm it. So for this, I have already created one user. Let's assign the attribute. So the command is chage -m and 7 for the minimum number of days, -M and the value was 28 for the maximum number of days, -W for warning, that was 5, and the username. So username is 100, user 100. Enter. Also they ask me to confirm the changes. So again change -L is the command, -L to list user 100. Read this. Minimum number of days between password change 7, maximum number of days between password change 28, and warning on 5. That was the ask. So the first task is complete. Second, they are asking to set expiry to January 31st 2025. So let's do this. Again the command is same, chage -E for the expiry. Format is year -month -date. This was the ask, 31st January 2025, and username. Enter. Again check it, list, read this. Account expiries 31st Jan 2025. So this was the ask, set the account expiry to 31st Jan 2025. Our first lab is complete. Next is passwd command. So the common use of passwd command is to set or modify a user password. However, you can also use this command to modify the password aging attributes and lock or unlock their account. Here are the options that we use with the passwd command are: -D to delete user password without expiring the user account, -E to force a user to change their password upon next login, -I to set the number of days of inactive after the password expiry, -L to lock the user account, -N to specify the number of days that must be elapsed before the password can be changed, -S to display the status, and -U to unlock the account, -W to set the number of days to which a user will get the warning, and -X as a maximum number of days of password validity before the password expire. So the password aging with the passwd. Here we will do the second lab. The first task is to set password aging attributes for user 200 to minimum days 10, maximum days 90, and warning days 40. Let's do the lab. Let me first clear it, and here I need to create a one user 200. So user add user 200 already exists. Okay, so let me make it 300 then. Okay, user is created, and now I need to perform the lat. So the command they are asking passwd. Last time we performed it with the chage command, but this time they are asking to do the same thing with the passwd command. So -n for the minimum number of days, So that is 10 hyphen cap hyphen x for the maximum number of days, it is 90, and hyphen w for the warning, it is 14, and username. Succeeded. And how to confirm the changes? Passwd hyphen capital S and username. These are the fields. 10 is for the minimum, this field. 90 is for the maximum, and 14 is for the warning days. So first task is complete. Go to second, set the number of inactive days to 5. Okay. So for this, the command is passwd hyphen I as inactive 5 and your username. Okay, it's assigned. Check hyphen here a 5. And the next question is display the new setting on confirmation. So our second lab is also complete. We have displayed the confirmation here as well. The next command is user mode. It stands for user modify. So the common use of this command is to modify a user attribute. However, it can also lock or unlock user account. We use -L capital L to log an account and capital U to unlock. When we use capital L to lock an account, we can see the exclamation mark in the etc shadow file of the user in a place of password field. So let's move to the lab, and the first ask is to lock user account 200 and confirm the changes. So here let me log into my account, and in my case I have a user 300. So user mode capital L and username user 300. First ask is complete. Second is to obtain the password information for user 200 from the shadow file. So this is in my case user 300 to the cat on the etc shadow file for user 300. Grave user 300. Notice this exclamation mark in a place of password. It means the account is locked for the user 300. And the last is to unlock the account. So to unlock the account, the command is same, just instead of capital L we use capital U. Unlocking the user password would result in the passwordless account, but my account is now unlocked. So in this video I have covered the entire password aging section for RHCSA, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. So do practice at home, ask question in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.